welcome to Clay House.
Hello, I'm Alice. Prepare for interesting things today with me.
Wow, that's nice, Alice.
Wow! Let's get started. The rough part is completed. Guess what I'm doing? Choose clothes with me. A beautiful outfit. Hello Kitty bed. Don't skip the video yet because there are many interesting things in it. a nice bathroom.
Wow, that's nice, Alice. Let's make a cabinet.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Gotta get it right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
So the house is almost completed. Completed. If you find it interesting, please leave a subscribe and a like to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next episodes.